So here I have some salmon, some mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, some parsley, and a couple of scoops of minced garlic. Right here I have 2 cartons of heavy cream and some spinach. Just to let you know, I did not use 2 cartons this time. Alright, now first you want to make sure your pan is set to medium-high heat. Once the pan is heated, you're going to drizzle some vegetable oil in the pan. While that was heating up, I patted the skin side of my salmon dry and I rubbed butter and seasoned it with nature season. I just did one side because I'm going to do the other side while it's in the pan. And now I'm going to put butter and nature season on the top of the salmon. So here I'm adding more butter to the pan because I really wanted that buttery kind of taste. You do not have to add as much butter as I did. I know some people are gonna see this and be like, oh my goodness, that's a lot of butter, but it turned out great. So here I'm turning it over. As you can see, I messed it up because of the way I grabbed it, but the second time I did better. So just watch out for that. Now I'm gonna cook it on this side for a couple minutes. I'm going to wait and make sure everything is cooked through. And I'm just going to add butter because, hey, everybody loves butter, right? And now I'm going to tilt the pan and kind of push that butter back up and kind of drizzle the butter on the salmon to get more of that butter cooked in there. So now I'm going to add in the minced garlic, and then I'm going to add in our onions and kind of let that cook for a bit. Now I'm going to add tomatoes. And you're wanting that to soften up, everything to soften up. Next, we're going to add in our spinach, and I actually used the whole bag for this. And you don't have to do much right now, just let it cook down, stir it every so often. I went ahead and seasoned with salt and pepper. Next, we're going to add in our heavy cream, and as you can see, I just used 1 carton of it. And I stirred it around and I seasoned it, and you want to make sure you taste it after you season it. So after tasting it, I wanted to add some nature season to it, so I did that, and I let it come to a boil and just mix it up. Now I'm going to add in mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. And as you can see, I didn't put any measurements because I just add in as much as I want, and when it gets to consistency that I like, then I stop. Now I'm adding in my salmon, and I'm going to cover it with a sauce. Then I'm going to put the Parmesan and mozzarella on top, and then do some more parsley, and then I'm going to cover it back up with some more sauce. This is how I like it. I just like to let it soak up all the juices from the sauce. And this is what it looks like when it's done. I decided to add some green beans as a side for this meal for us. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.